Here are the Soundcore Life A1s. I got these to replace the Spirit.2s that I reviewed recently. I actually managed to water damage them even though they were IPX7, but yeah, check out the review for that. So yeah, as you can see, pretty standard looking box, some nice buzzwordy stuff. Premium sound via 8mm drivers. I don't know if they're bragging about the size of the driver. I don't know if that's good. 9-hour playtime and 35 hours with the charging case. That's really good, especially compared to the Spirit.2. Wireless charging, cool. I'm not too fussed. Customizable EQ could be interesting. IPX7 should be pretty good. And single bud audio. So these look very similar to the Spirit.2s, but yeah, slightly different aesthetically. And yeah, let's just jump into the box. So this is the first time I'm opening this. You can see that fresh seal, which I'm struggling to get open. And I've got it upside down. Righty, so some packaging material, useless instructions. Who needs instructions? Let's get the main thing out of the way. So obviously in here we've got different wings and tip sizes, so you can customize the fit, and a USB-C cable, main piece, in a little bag. So that's a really nice compact case. You can see there the Soundcore logo, if it focuses. Come on, yeah, there we go, nice focus. So really compact case again, just like the Spirit.2s, and this time it's a flip open case rather than a slide, which I think is more reliable, I would have thought. Again, very compact earbuds. I'd say they feel very identical to the Spirit.2s, and the way this case looks as well, they look very similar in terms of the magnets in there. Got a little magnet there as well to snap that shut, so that's a nice little touch. Nice shiny black. You can see they don't have like that gold branding that the Spirit.2s had, but still pretty nice. The other difference here is instead of having touch buttons, they've got a physical button. And just feeling the tactileness, it's a pretty tactile button, so I think that will be a lot more reliable in terms of a control method. Otherwise it looks really similar. I think this is very similar to the Air Wing, this kind of wing design. But yeah, I'm not going to pair them up now. I imagine it's pretty standard. Okay, so thank you very much for watching that unboxing. Hope it was useful. I'll be testing these out over the next month or two, and I should have a review coming up soon, so do subscribe to the channel to be ready for that. I also review other types of tech things and make various kind of random videos, a little bit random, tutorials, tech, that kind of thing. So yeah, please do subscribe if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video.